All right, this is a quick video on cleaning your headlights with WD-40 to see if it really works. First thing you'll need, can of WD-40. Second, a rag or a paper towel. Shake the can. All right, so this is the headlight I'm gonna be working on. It's not terrible, but you can see the difference between the bottom and the top. Give it a shot. And it actually does work. And this is how it comes out afterwards. You can see it's really clear. Compared to the other side, you can see the difference in there. I'm gonna go ahead and try it on this one with the same rag, same amount. And you can see it does work. As you can see, it is pretty clear right now. This is all the stuff that came off of it, but that was probably more than likely dirt. Truth behind it is that's not gonna last. Yeah, it's a temporary fix, but it's definitely not gonna last. So if you're looking to have it look crystal clear for a day or two, go this route. If you wanna do it the right way, get yourself a headlight restoration kit, and that'll last a lot longer. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please comment. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.